if you are going to create a learning management system or a learning course or a membership site or any of the things that Lifter LMS is so keen on as far as promoting yourself for the future, my suggestion is this. I'm a house cleaner. I'm a middle-aged house cleaner that is self-taught via YouTube and podcasts and stuff like that. If I can do it, oh my goodness, anybody can do it, okay? If you're going to create something, don't create a crappy course that's going to have 35 people come through it and then poof, it's gone and you never get anything else out of it. Create an ongoing membership site where you funnel new and interesting information in there and create a culture where people keep coming back over and over and over again. Because if you just give somebody something once, did you teach them to fish or did you feed them fish for the day? Teach them to fish and bring them in and then create a group of fishermen and all of you are working on this together. And so learn the skills because the skills are not going away. When I grew up, the survival skills were reading and writing. Now it's video editing and image editing. You have to know those skills. And as much as I would like to pretend you don't, you're a fool if you think otherwise. The internet is not going away and everyone is switching to video. Everyone is switching to online learning. People are not going to hotel rooms anymore and they're not renting out space for a weekend and pulling all their people off the main line and taking that money away from the revenue and having to rebook clients so that they can learn about house cleaning. They're not doing that anymore. They're going online. What courses can I take on my free time or on my phone or my tablet that's available on the internet? And so if you have something to teach, you got to get there already because if you don't, your competitors will.